Welcome back, guys. Luanino here. We're doing part 3 of the Nightmare Pack opening. 100k souls left. Let's see if we can get Jason or Freddy. We've gotten Leatherface, and that's it. Gold card, as expected. Hopefully, you can't hear the music in the background. I don't want to get demonetized. Listening to Juice WRLD in the weekend. I don't know. These pack openings tend to get boring when they're this long, and you're not getting any diamonds, so it's whatever. Just keeping these short, you know? Tired. No diamond. I don't know, I can't recommend this pack. It's pretty bad. I don't know how Sude got pretty good numbers from this pack. Human form. Wow, nothing. This is the worst pack ever. Just gonna keep quiet because this pack is pretty garbage. No hype. You know what? I just want some Freddy Cougars. Come on. Honestly, I'd rather have Freddy max level than the rest of the Nightmare Squad. And this pack is at a discount, so why not, you know? Come on, let me get the Freddy. Let me get that Freddy. Freddy's glove. This game does not want me to have Freddy Krueger, I swear to God. Some water. This is the worst pack opening ever. Finally, Nightmare Freddy Krueger. First one. Honestly, I'm down to just open this pack because the other one's ass. I don't know. But it took that long for a fucking diamond. Kind of pisses me off. I don't know if I should continue this one, that one. I don't know what to do. Just want this Freddy Krueger maxed. But finally, I got Freddy Krueger. No, okay. No freaking way. Okay, this just made me happy. I don't have this character. So for me to get this character, that's a win for me. Assassin Scarlet. Oh my god. Hell yeah. I like turned everything around for me. I like that. Alright, well that's it for this pack opening. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is a Freddy Krueger pack opening. Lord Nino out.